Cultural preservation and the promotion of reading to help boost literacy levels are definitely two things any developed country wants to encourage. The Book Industry Association of Jamaica, the BIAJ, recently combined the two as it put on a 9-day festival across the corporate area. The Kingston Book Festival, held under the theme Celebrating the Arts, was the perfect opportunity to put books in the spotlight.
We really feel like it gives us an opportunity to showcase the power of books. I mean, really what books allow us to do is to capture, preserve and promote different aspects of our culture, different aspects of our of what we think about, what we talk about, what's important to us.
Books on film, music, fine arts, theatre, dance, photography and other areas took center stage as festival organizers sought to promote the literary arts as a tool for cultural preservation and national development.
I will certainly encourage people to publish, because the only way we're really going to preserve that oral tradition in a literary form is if we actually publish. Within the theatre community, we produce maybe 25 to 30 plays per year, but not all of them see the light of day beyond staging because we don't publish them as literary works, and so they don't get to live on in a way, in a real kind of way.
Organizers ensured there was something for everyone. A kiddies corner for the little ones, books to satisfy all tastes, music and a relaxing environment for those who needed it, and guidance for those who wanted to indulge in literary pursuits. And of course, patrons had the chance to purchase books and other cultural items.
I didn't get to purchase my Jamaica Festa pin while we were actually celebrating our 50th anniversary, and I really wanted to, so now that I get the chance, so of course I'm going to take it.
The BIAJ also uses proceeds from the festival to help its charity efforts.
This year we're focusing on putting books into children's homes and places of safety. Every year for I think the last 10 years or so, the Book Industry Association donates books to pediatric wards in hospitals.
I think everybody should love to read, because readers are always more intelligent. You can learn more. There is so much information in books, online and in physical hard copy books.
I would definitely encourage people to take a look at the new Jamaican books that have come out recently. These are not your grandmother's books. Publishing has changed a lot in the last decade or so. There are all the traditional types of books we used to publish, but there's a much broader range of books that will interest any reader now.
And from books to fashion. In March, the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts was the venue for the 2013 Alternative Fashion Show.
What this fashion show, Alternative Fashion Show, is about is using your environment, meaning creating an artwork or a garment from stones, plastic bottles, anything that you can find in the environment to make a garment. Restricting from using fabrics.
Since its first staging in 1999, the show has become a major fundraiser for the textile department at the School of Visual Arts. This year, organizers invited participants from other tertiary institutions. 3 of them, UTech, NCU and the GARMEX Art Academy, took up the offer.
We are loving it because we really want to expose them to what is happening out there and to cause them to think creatively, to think out of the box.
The students pushed the boundaries of creativity and created formal wear, casual wear, contemporary outfits, swimwear and even carnival costumes from just about any material, competing for top prizes in each category. Blouses made of steel, trash bag dresses complemented by balloon accessories, a tablecloth and plastic bag wedding ensemble, carnival outfits made from aluminum cans and even formal outfits made from plants were just some of the items on display.
What talent the kids have. It's very good to see what the young people are doing. The garment that just won the casual wear, I mean, it was a piece, if you looked at it carefully, it was so well done, it could be worn out.
I think it's a very, very good show because I am a dance school student, but I just do this for the fun of it because I love fashion, and it gives very good exposure and gives me another means to express myself and create just the same. These are telephones whereas we strip the white parts off and then we got the colors underneath it, and then it's a process. I didn't do it all in one go.
The audience definitely wasn't disappointed, and to top it off, alternative music from some of the college's finest alumni. This has been the Arts Page.